In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose an email in Gmail. Whether you're a seasoned Gmail user or just starting out, composing emails is an essential part of communication, both for personal and professional purposes. So let's dive in and break down the process step by step to make it as simple and straightforward as possible. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the upper right corner, you'll notice a Gmail link. Click on it. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials, which are your Google email address and password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail dashboard. Now take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a rectangle-shaped button labeled Compose. Go ahead and click that. This action will open up a new email window, usually in the lower right corner of your browser window. If you find it a bit cramped, feel free to click the expand icon, transforming it into a full-sized window for a more comfortable writing space. Next, you'll want to address your email properly. In the To field, type the email address of the person you wish to contact. If you're sending the email to multiple recipients, separate each email address with a comma. There's also the option to add CC or BCC recipients. CC, which stands for carbon copy, is used when you want to send the email to additional people for their information. BCC means blind carbon copy, which hides the email addresses from other recipients. With the recipients in place, let's move to the subject line. It's the first thing your recipient will see, so make it concise yet informative. Think of it as a headline for your email, giving a brief idea of what the content will include. With the basics done, it's time to compose the email body. Click into the large text box to start writing your message. If it's a formal email, consider starting with a greeting such as "Dear Name," followed by your content. Ensure to keep your message clear and to the point, and remain mindful of your tone. Keep it appropriate for your recipient. Finally, before sending your email, take a moment to proofread your message. Check for any spelling or grammar errors, and make sure all email addresses are correct. Once satisfied, look towards the bottom of the email window and locate the Send button. Click it, and your email will be on its way to the recipient. And there you have it. A simple yet comprehensive guide to composing an email in Gmail. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently manage your correspondence, ensuring your messages are clear and professional. Happy emailing!